children. Good morning everybody. How are you all? I think you all are fine and safe at home, right? Yes. I hope you all are enjoying your holidays with your parents, brothers and sisters. But children, we are missing you a lot. Do you know why? Because of this corona, we have got so much of gap. That's why we are missing you. Okay. Children, I want to tell you one thing. Do you know you all were promoted to second class? Congratulations. You have done all your exams very well and you are promoted to second class. The reason behind this is you have done all the revision works quickly which were given by the teachers and you performed all your annual exams very well. Thank you children for cooperating with us in completing all your WhatsApp work without any delay or pending with the help of your parents. Right. Do you know who am I? I am your new teacher for your new class, that is second class. Yeah children, I am your new teacher for new class. Actually up to last year, that means up to first standard, we used to start our new academic year in the school in your new classes with your new teachers, explanation, face-to-face interaction, everything. But because of this COVID situation, we have to think of your health and safety. That's why we are going to start our online classes. At the same time, we don't want to waste your time. So, we are here to start the online classes, which are very new for you. But don't worry children, we make you feel happy and comfort with these online classes. The thing for this you have to do is sit properly and listen the class very carefully, as I am going to ask you some questions after the completion of the class. Right children? Yeah, cooperate with me. Children, which class are you all studying now? Come on, tell me. You are all in second class, right? And the subject I am going to teach you is English. Which subject I am going to teach you children? English. Come on, tell me. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. English. What is that? Once again. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. English. Right? Date. What is the date? Actually, if you are in the school, when do you come for your classes? Do you come at night, 8 o'clock? Or do you come at afternoon, 2 o'clock? Or do you come in the early hours, 6 o'clock? Do you come like this? No. Why? We have a particular time for school. Not only for school, for everything we have particular times, isn't it? Okay, we are in school present. So, if you want to come to school, at what time do you come children? Come on, tell me. We come at 8:30. When do we come? 8:30. So, our today's lesson is time for school. Come on with me. Time. T-I-M-E. Time for. F-O-R for school. S-C-H-O-O-L. You already know all these spellings, but just I want to remind you once, as we have got a long gap. Right children? Come on once again. What is our today's lesson? Time for school. Yes. Who will sit in the class? You all are sitting in the class. Do you all have names or not? Yes, everybody is having name. Like that, in today's lesson, here, Ravi. Who is that children? Ravi and Veena. Come on, tell me. Ravi. R-A-V-I. Ravi and Reena. R-E-E-N-A. Reena. By these names, can you identify who is the girl and who is the boy there? Ravi is a boy. I draw a picture for you, right? Ravi is a boy. And who is this? Veena. Can you tell? Is Veena a boy? No, she is a girl. Girls are like this with two claps, isn't it? Okay, Hinda is a girl and Ravi is a boy. Right. Ravi and Reena are very excited. Ravi and Reena are very excited. Very means too much. Excited. EXCITED. Happy. Come on, tell with me. VERY. Very. Very means too much. TOO2 and UCH. Too much. Chala ఎక్కువ అన్నమాట. Very. Too much అంటే చాలా ఎక్కువ. Right. Excited. EXCITED. Excited means HAPPY. Happy. I don't need to tell you Telugu. Happy అంటే అందరికీ తెలుసు కదా సంతోషం. Okay. Here Ravi and Reena are very excited. School begins tomorrow. Why they are excited, children? School is going to begin tomorrow. Begin. What did I say here? Begin. Begin means what? Start. BEGIN. Begin. START. Start. Tomorrow. TOMORROW. Tomorrow means what? Tomorrow. The next day. The next day. Come on. Ravi and Reena are very excited. Why they are excited? Why they are very happy? The school is going to begin tomorrow. Tomorrow means the next day, right? Okay. They have new bags, water bottles, new uniforms, new books, and even new shoes. See, when you go to school, how do you go? Will you come with your casual dress, which you are wearing at home? No, we don't come like that. If you want to go to school, we have to put on a uniform. Along with the uniform, you have to wear tie, belt, shoes, everything. But here they had promoted to second class. This is the first day, so they are coming with all the new things. What are the new things? I cannot bring all these big things, but let me draw small pictures for you. Okay, new bag. What is this, children? It is a bag, school bag, right? Then what is the next thing they are having? They have new water bottle. What is this, children? Water bottle. What is the next new thing they are having? New uniform. I am not that good in drawing pictures, but let me draw roughly for you, right? This is the uniform where you put your tie, your belt, everything. Shoes come to our feet. Okay, shoes. This is the lace, shoelace, which you tie to your shoes. I cannot draw a single shoe. Shoe means we have to say pair of shoe. Am I using shoe? No, shoes. Okay, what are the new things I have? Come on, repeat once. Bag, school bag. B-A-G, bag. Next thing, water bottle. W-A-T-E-R, water. B-O-T-T-L-E, water. And uniform. What is the next thing, children? Uniform. Come on. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Next, what are these? Shoes. S-H-O-E-S. All these are new. These are. What is new? What is new? Which is not at all used. See? This is the scale which is in the packet. I haven't used this. And this is the scale which I already used. So we call this one as new and this one as old. Can you see the pencils? Which one is new? This is new. It is not sharpened. And this is the one which I use it. This is new and this is old. the same way arises. We can say everything. These all big things I cannot break. So I am showing you small examples. Right. New. Which is not at all used. Yes, come on. Ravi and Reena are very excited. What for they are excited? The school is going to begin tomorrow. And they all have all the new things. What are the new things? Bag, water bottle, uniform and shoes. Right. Then, before going to bed, as they are thinking of this at the night time before going to bed. Let me resolve. Before going to bed. That means before going to sleep. Padukone mundu. What we say? Padukone mundu. Going to sleep. Yeah. Before going to sleep, what we do actually? We say some prayers. Prayers in the sense nothing. We have to thank God for whatever He had given us. Today's date is passed very well to us happily. So we have to thank God. These are the prayers, nothing children. Before going to bed, we have to pray. Like that, Ravi and Reena, before going to bed, they say their prayers, right? Then, they get up at once when the mother calls. It was morning, night all they slept, it was morning. Now mother is calling, come on Ravi, Reena, can we wake up ourselves? As you all are small children. Second class, you cannot get up by yourself. So somebody has to wake up us. Who will wake us? Mother. Who will wake us? Mother. Here also the same way mother is waking them up. Who mother is waking? Ravi and Reena. Wake up. Nidra levadam. We can say in other words get up. Right? Wake up means nothing but get up. When mother calls them in the morning, they get up at once from the bed. Happy, they are in happy mood, so they get up at once. బద్దకిస్తూ ఇలా చేస్తూ అమ్మ తర్వాత లేస్తాను ఇవన్నీ చెప్పట్లేదు. వాళ్ళకి చాలా హ్యాపీ, దే ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ హ్యాపీ టు గో టు స్కూల్. అందుకే ఏం చేశారు? At once they got up from the bed. After getting up from the bed, do you directly come to school? No. What are the all things you do? Come on, tell me just briefly. Brush your teeth. We have a bath. We put on your uniform. After all this, we have to take something. Breakfast. Do you all eat your breakfast or not? Are you coming without having your breakfast? No. Like that, Ravi and Reena also, they are all doing all these works. They had the breakfast, they had a glass of milk, and now they get ready quickly and wait for the bus. Fast. Quickly means what? Fast. School kellaniki valki em matram they are very happy to go to school, so they are doing all their works very quickly and they are waiting for the bus. For what they are waiting? How do we go to school? Some of us come by bus, some of us come by auto rickshaw, some of us come by bikes or by walk, something. But here, Ravi and Reena, they do go to school by school bus. They use school bus as a transport for their school. Right, children? They get ready quickly and wait for the school bus. They meet other children at the bus stop. Do the bus come and stay at our home? No. We have to go where the bus stops. We have to go where the bus stop. So, let me write this. బస్ మన ఇంటికి వస్తుందా? మనం బస్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలా? We have to go to the bus stop. Place where bus stops. Place where the bus stop. For every way, like bus, rail, train, aeroplane, these all are having their particular stops. We call them with the different names. But here we are using bus stop as it is the place for the bus to stop. Now Ravi and Reena, they got up ready. They get ready very quickly, and where did they go? They go to the bus stop. Whom did they meet? Whom did they meet? They meet the other children. Not only Ravi and Reena, but like this, the other children are also waiting for the bus at the bus stop. Right? They are waiting for the bus. They board the school bus and chatter all the way. Board. B-O-A-R-D. Board. Board. We have two meanings of this. This is also a board. Do you know? This is also a board which I am writing. Like that. Here board means to get on. Ekkadam. Bus ekkadam emantam? To get on. The other word we are saying is board. They board the school bus. Em ekkaru vallu? School bus ekkaru. And chatter all the way. What is the word? Chatter. C-H-A-T-T-E-R. Chatter means to talk continuously. Do you all chatter or not? When the teacher gives you little time, you all start chatting. To talk continuously. They start chatting all the way. All the way means from the home till they reach the school, they all were chatting. మాట్లాడుతూనే ఉన్నారు. ఆగట్లేదు అన్నమాట ఎక్కడ. They were keep on chatting. Soon they reached their school. What did they do? Soon they reached the school. Reach the school అంటే స్కూల్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసారు. స్కూల్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసారు. They get out of the bus. They get out of the bus. The school looks so beautiful. Where were they? They came to the school. The school is looking so beautiful. The building is painted. Beautiful, I think you already know. Painted. What is the word here? Painted. To give new colors. Painted. The school is painted with the bright colors. Ravi and Reena rush to their new classroom. See? They reached the school. They saw the school. The school is looking so beautiful. The school is looking so beautiful. Why the school is looking beautiful? Because it is painted with all the bright colors. All the bright colors. Now this Ravi and Reena. What did they do, children? Rush. To move fast. Very fast and one. Ravi and Reena rush to their new classroom. Rush to their new classroom. Rush means what I told you? R-U-S-H. To move fast. T-O-2 M-O-V move F-A-S-T fast. To move fast. Right. They rush to the classroom, new classroom. They have come to second class. No, they are not sitting in their first standard. It is a new classroom for these children. Right. They meet their old friends. I already told you what is the difference between new and old. Old friends means which they were already having in their first standard. And even meet a few ones. చాలా మంది పాత పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు ఫస్ట్ స్టాండర్డ్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు బట్ 1 or 2 new friends also. New friends in the sense they have come from the other schools because of their transfers and all. This is next thing. Okay, then they have new teachers to you. Do your first standard teacher come and teach here? No, I am new to you, no? Like that here also for Ravi and Reena, they have new teachers too. Who teach them and play with them. These teachers, I am teaching to you like that. Ravi and Reena's teacher also want to teach them and she wants to play with them. They have a wonderful day in the school. How did they spend? They have a wonderful day. That means they felt very happy in the school. Why did they feel very happy? After a long time, they have come to the school and the school is looking so beautiful with the bright colors. They have met all their old friends and also the new friends. So this all, because of this, they are very happy. మనం ఎప్పుడైనా హ్యాపీగా గడిపితే ఏమంటాం? We have a wonderful day today అలా చెప్పాలన్నమాట. Now Ravi and Reena, they have a wonderful day. Where do they have a wonderful day? At home? No. Where? In the school. Right, you are good. In the school. Now, soon it is time to go to home. Do we all stay in the school from morning to night? No, no. At 4 o'clock, what do? We leave home. Like that, for Ravi and Reena also, it's time to go to home. Ravi and Reena tell all this what had happened in the home to whom. After going home, ఎవరితో మాట్లాడతారు మీరు? మా స్కూల్లో ఇలా జరిగింది అలా జరిగింది అని ఎవరితో చెప్తారు? మమ్మీ. Yes, like that Ravi and Reena also told all these things to their mother about all that what happened in the school. Next, they are waiting to go to school again tomorrow. They are waiting to go to school again tomorrow. They felt very sad anamata. Ayyo intiki vachesama anis. Malli they want to go to school again. So they are waiting for the next day's school. Right, children? How is our today's lesson? Once I want to ask you small questions. Come on, what is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is Time for School. Who are the two children here? They are Ravi and Reena. Ravi is a boy and Reena is a girl. Now, how did they feel? They feel very happy. Okay, then, what are the new things they were having? Come on, new bags, water bottles, new uniforms, books, and even new shoes. Before going to bed, we say our prayers. Like that, they said their prayers. Mother called them in the morning. They get up at once from the bed. They get ready very quickly and waited for the school bus. They meet other children at the bus stop. They board the school bus and chatter all the way. Soon they reach the school. They felt very happy the time what they have spent in the school. Now, who are Ravi and Reena and how did they feel? Come on, tell me, how did they feel? They felt very happy and excited. Who wakes them up? Ever leparu? Who wakes them up? Mother wakes them up. Whom do they meet at the bus stop? Come on, whom do parent ni kalustama bus stop lo? No, they met the other friends at the bus stop. How was their day? Intiki vachin tarvata mummy to chepparu kada, how was their day? Their day was wonderful. Yeah, children, thank you for cooperating and let us continue in our next class.